I have always been under the impression that the reason things heat up in the microwave is because the water molecules get hot. So today we're going to find out if glassware, dry by itself, will heat up in the microwave. So after 30 seconds in the microwave, this bottom plate is slightly warm. This small plate is cool. The bowl is cool. The wine glass is slightly warm. And this glass here is actually fairly warm. So it appears that some types of glassware heat up faster than others. I believe this plate is ceramic, and these here are also ceramic. So it's funny that one heats up more than the others. So yes, glassware will actually heat up in the microwave when it's even when it's dry.